Hey Lawn Care Nation, I'm back at my commercial property, back at the farm, and you can see I've just finished mowing there with my 36-inch turf tracer using my Jungle Gym's accessory products, Jungle Wheel Sulky. And I realized that I've never actually done a real review on this Sulky, and every time I do a video with this machine, there's always somebody that comments. Every time I post a picture about the turf tracer with the Sulky, somebody comments on how I like the Sulky, how it's working out for me. So I thought I would do a quick talk about the Jungle Gym's accessory products, Jungle Wheel Sulky. So let's have a look at it. So this is the 36-inch turf tracer with the Jungle Wheels Sulky on it, made by Jungle Gym's accessory products. You can see the logo there, and I have to say that it's done really well for me. I don't know the exact age of this Sulky because it came with the mower when I bought it used. The mower is a 2009 model, so I'm not sure exactly when this Jungle Wheels accessory product Sulky was made, but it's still holding up really good for me. You know, it's held up really well. A lot of people have questions about, is it hard on your knees? And it can be a little bit, but what I find though when I switched to starting to use a stand-on mower, that it was fairly similar. There was a little less fatigue on your knees when you're in a standing position on a stand-on mower versus on a Sulky, because you're not, the Sulky's turning behind it and your knees are having to pivot each time you turn, so there's that part of it. But as far as the bouncing and all that, which causes the most fatigue, it's been about the same as my 32-inch Staris, as you know, being on this Sulky. The big thing here, I think, adding a Sulky to a walk behind like this is that it really breathes new life into these older machines. And if you're in a position in your lawn care business where maybe you can't afford a brand new stand-on machine, you know, you can find tons and tons of these walk behinds for fairly inexpensive, even brand new. But on the used market, there's tons of them, and adding a Sulky to it, you know, it gives it that versatility of a stand-on machine. In fact, I think adding a Sulky to a walk behind is actually way more versatile than an actual stand-on mower by itself. I can do a lot more properties. For example, like this farm property here, you can see that you know, in areas in the front there where there's like the hills, and around this tree stump there's berms and stuff. There's some stand-on machines, you know, you can't really mow, you know, that hill or slope there. It's really quite steep, and you know, as you can see as I'm walking up to it, it's about as tall as I am. But you can see that I can mow sort of the bottom half of it with the walk behind machine with the Sulky, and I can be on that Sulky mowing it, and it's only sort of the really steepest part that I can you know, have to come back and trim, and I could probably mow that if I were to lift the Sulky. So it just makes the walk behind just so much more versatile than a actual stand-on machine where you're forced to only stand on. So the Jungle Wheels accessory products Sulky has been just absolutely fantastic in that respect. You know, the one thing you have to watch, at least with this particular one that I have here, is that these are pneumatic tires, so they're air filled, and you can see across the way there tons and tons of blackberry bushes, so you can see the path that I've left when I'm mowing in this area. You can see I've left uncut grass there, just because I don't want to get too close to the blackberry bushes, because you inevitably end up with flat tires. But Jungle Gym's accessory products has recently released airless tires for their Jungle Wheels Sulky. So you can get upgraded tires now for that. But overall, you know, it's just super versatile. It allows me to mow, you know, these larger areas like here and across on the other side, and you guys have seen the back areas in other videos, and on the other side over there. You know, it allows me to mow this quite efficiently and quickly riding the Sulky. It minimizes the amount of trimming I need to do, like I say, because those berms are all along the property. There's some areas of the lawns where there's berms all the way along the sides of it too, and I'm able to mow the entire berm. They aren't quite as steep as that one, but I can mow the entire berm with the walk behind machine and the Sulky. And you know, when I've brought the stand-on mower, I can't do the berms with it, so I end up having to only be able to mow the flat parts, and then I have to go back with the trimmer and trim all the berms, which takes a whole bunch of time. Whereas with the walk behind, because of the Sulky, it just is way more comfortable to you know, ride up along those berms and small slopes. But it's done really really well for me. Very minimal maintenance has been required. Super easy to lift up and put down. One thing that people always ask me too is how I get the Sulky so closely mounted to the handles here. They'll see in pictures, and you'll notice like a lot of Sulkies, they'll have the chain underneath, so for you to be able to hang the Sulky up. But what I do is I drape, and you see how it's kind of attached there. I drape it over the top here, and then I just take my little hook, put it through the middle hole here on the Sulky, and then just put it right up tight as far as I can, and then drop the excess chain there. And you can see I can get the Sulky really nice and tight up to the handle there, so it's not like hanging down here in my way and bouncing around. It gets really tight there, and it really works well. And I have accomplished that just by draping the chain over rather than hanging the chain underneath and having you know, the Sulky have to hang down lower in that direction. And it's almost tailor-made if you look at it in that sense. It works really well. So the other nice thing about these Jungle Wheels accessory products Sulkies are that they've, number one, been around for a long time. Many years they've been producing these Sulkies, and they're still relatively expensive. You're talking, you know, a few $100s to pick up one of these Sulkies, brand new, and they just do a fabulous job on the back of these old walk behind type mowers. Particularly a hydro mower is what I would recommend if you're looking at getting a combo like this, is to get a hydro mower and you know, adding one of these Sulkies. And it is literally the most versatile machine that I have in my entire fleet of mowers. I can mow in more conditions and more scenarios, more types of properties, whether they're hills and berms, whether they're small lawns or big properties like this one, with this combination of having the walk behind with the Sulky. Just absolutely super versatile. So yeah, that's my review. It's been trouble-free with this Sulky. Just has worked really well. There's really not much to them, so really simple to use, and like I say, minimal maintenance. There's a couple of grease points on them that you can you know, squirt some grease into every few you know, months or so. Just double check them, and you know, you're good to go. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you use one of these Jungle Gyms accessory products, Jungle Wheels Sulkies, in your lawn care business, or if you've used one in the past. And let me know what you thought about it. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.